Hey, so you're probably wondering what I'm doing here, but I'm putting together some yakitori, and we are going to do our own DIY yakitori grill. I've seen a couple of things on YouTube as well, and I'm just gonna have some fun with it. It's basically putting together a couple of Terra Cotta planter boxes, and then putting in some sand around it to isolate the heat. I'll probably show you a little bit later in the footages. And then have some coal in the center, and then we'll lay some of these yakitori sticks across the that DIY grill. So actually, I'm just kind of dry fitting it right now. One's gonna nestle inside the other. Probably going to cover up the holes in the drain holes on the bottom, and then fill it with some sand and some charcoal. So I decided to basically cover the drain hose with a couple quarters, so I'm just going to epoxy it over. Probably just as cost effective if I was going to put some type of sheet metal on top of it before I pour the sand into it. Alright, so the epoxy is pretty much set. I'm pouring in the sand now. It's basically going to be the insulation between the two terracotta boxes as we nestle it into each other. So the charcoal is lighting up pretty nicely. It's getting pretty white hot. I'm gonna get ready to put it in. It's important to wear some protective equipment, some gloves. Let's spread it out evenly. Right now, we can kind of show you how that is. But right now, actually, pretty good heat. I think it's looking pretty okay. So we're actually going to take one off, and then we are going to try it out. I don't remember the last time I had a chicken heart. Probably when we were in Tokyo. It's actually okay. So hey, if you like the things that I do, you need to slap that button down there. Like it, subscribe, and then we'll see what we can get into next time. But this has been pretty fun. I enjoyed making this. Bye.